Hey everybody, it's Daniel Gallagly with Attractional Marketing. Let's say that you have a WordPress website and you're not sure how to maintain it and keep everything up to date and you need help. We hear this a lot from many of our clients where they tell us, hey, look, I know I'm supposed to be updating my site, but I don't really know how to do it. I don't understand what I'm doing. Can you help me with it? And that is where our website care plans come in that you see here on our website. So the care plan is a monthly service where we maintain your website for you so that you don't have to worry about doing it on your own. We handle all of your website updates. We handle your website backups. We provide your SSL certificate. We provide monthly reporting and much more. You can see everything on our website here. But the point is, our websites are meant to give you a sense of confidence and peace of mind, knowing that your website is being properly maintained so that you can focus on your business. Because really, managing your website gets you in the weeds. You have to understand all of the different applications that are running in the background. You have to understand which version of WordPress that you're working on. Not to mention, you have to make sure that you have a backup solution in place. There's lots of security concerns you have to think through. So there's a lot of responsibility that goes into properly managing a website. And the care plans are really, like I said, meant to give you peace of mind and confidence, knowing that, hey, look, we'll handle the technical details of your website so that you can focus on your business. So if you need someone who can take responsibility, who can communicate with you, whom you can reach on the phone, who can provide reporting, so that you know what's going on. That's where our care plans come in. So if you need help with your website, or maybe you need a website created, we'd love to talk with you about it and see how we could help. You can just give us a call or visit our contact page and get in touch, and we'll set up a conversation and then go from there. So anyway, hope we can help, and we will see you again on the next one. Have a great day.